welcome to my YouTube channel Commerce Light. As we know that corona pandemic is spread all over the world and whole country is fighting from it. At the same time our education system also get hampered. So some of the universities came with the idea of taking objective exams for saving time and not wasting one whole year of the students. Now there is a problem with the students that how they can give objective exams of theoretical paper. So here I am with some question. Let's get started. Question number 1. The following is not an objective of management. Options are earning profit, growth of the organization, providing employment, policy making. The right answer is policy making because earning profit, growth of the organization, providing employment are the prior objective of any organization. Now second question is coordination is function of management, objective of management, essence of management, none of the above. The right answer is essence of the management because if we are doing anything like planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, we need coordination at every place, at every field. So the right answer is essence of management. Now third question is Henry Fayol was a social scientist, mining engineer, accountant, production engineer. The right answer is mining engineer. Next, which of the following statement best describe the principle of division? What is the principle of division? Says that work should be divided into small tasks but it leads to specialization. काम हमें बांटना है लेकिन तभी जब वो काम स्पेशलाइज तरीके से हो, रेंडमली हम काम नहीं बांट सकते. द ऑप्शंस आर वर्क शुड बी डिवाइडेड इनटू स्मॉल टास्क, लेबर शुड बी डिवाइडेड, resources should be divided, it leads to specialization. The right answer is it leads to specialization. Which of the following is not a principle of management given by Taylor? The right options are science not rule of thumb, functional foremanship, maximum not restricted output, harmony not discord. The right option is functional foremanship. It is given by Fayol. Centralization refers to centralization simply means the decision making power at the top level management, the decision making power in one hand. So there his options are retention of decision making authority, disposal of decision making authority, creating division as profit centers, opening new center or branches. No, the right answer is retention of decision making authority. Now moving to next question. Grouping of activities on the basis of product line is a part of delegated organization, divisional organization, functional organization, autonomous organization. The right answer is divisional organization. Moving to next question. Which of the following is not element of direction? Motivation, communication, delegation, supervision. द राइट आंसर इज डेलीगेशन बिकॉज हम कभी भी अगर डायरेक्टिंग कर रहे हैं या डायरेक्शन कर दे रहे हैं किसी को तो हमें उसे मोटिवेट करने की, उससे कम्युनिकेट करने की और सुपरवाइज करने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, इसलिए इसमें डेलीगेशन राइट आंसर है. ग्रेपवाइन सिंपली इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ ह्यूमर दैट occurs when we do informal type of communication. Here the options are formal organization, barrier to communication, lateral communication, informal communication. The right answer is informal communication. Next, which of the following is not element of delegation? Delegation simply means delegating the authority, accountability, responsibility to anyone else in formal organization. Here the options are accountability, authority, responsibility, informal organization. The right answer is informal organization. The highest level need in the need hierarchy of Abraham Maslow. अगर हमने अब्राहम मैस्लो की नीड हायरार्की थ्योरी पढ़ी होगी तो उसमें हम ईजिली बता सकते हैं कि जो सबसे टॉप लेवल पे है वो है सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन नीड. सो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन क्या है? सेफ्टी नीड नो, बिलोंगिंगनेस नीड, सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन नीड, प्रेस्टीज नीड. नो, द टॉप लेवल पे जो सबसे ऊपर है वो है सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन नीड. The process of converting message into communication symbol is known as Media, encoding, feedback, decoding. Media is just a path. Encoding is the right answer because when when message is converted into words or symbol that anyone can easily understand is known as encoding. Decoding is just opposite of the encoding. Which of the following, which function of management ensures that activities conform to planned activities? Directing, staffing, controlling, planning. कंट्रोलिंग हम तभी कर सकते हैं जब हमारे सामने प्लानिंग हो. जब प्लानिंग डेविएट होती है, कहीं गलत जाती है, तभी हम कंट्रोलिंग करते हैं. सो कंट्रोलिंग इज़ द राइट ऑप्शन. Controlling function of an organization is forward looking, backward looking, forward as well as backward looking, none of the above. The right answer is forward as well as backward looking. Next question. An efficient control system helps to accomplish organization objective, boost employee morale, judge accuracy of standard, all of the above. जब किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में अच्छा कंट्रोल सिस्टम होगा तो वो उसके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के ऑब्जेक्टिव भी अचीव होंगे, एम्प्लॉय का मोरल भी बूस्ट होगा और उसके एक्यूरेसी स्टैंडर्ड भी इजीली जज हो जाएंगे. सो द राइट ऑप्शन इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. नेम द टाइप ऑफ प्लान विच इज़ बाउंड एंड लिंक्ड विद मेजरेबल आइटम्स. ऑप्शंस बजट, strategy, method, policy. The right answer is budget. One of the function of management is considered a base for all other functions. Name that function. Organizing, planning, directing, controlling. The right answer is planning, because without planning we can't do anything like organizing, directing, controlling. Planning is the base of all other function. So the right answer is planning. If you get me wrong anywhere, you can give the right answer in the comment box. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.